Nkiruka stirs the Owerri. Wooden spoon scraping blackened aluminium. Phone pressed to her shoulder. 3 hours. 200 people arriving from London. Expecting jollof that tastes like the compound they left 20 years ago. Madam, how many extra plates? The voice asks. Nkiruka doesn't stop staring. She tastes, quick, decisive spoon to tongue. Already reaching for pepper before she's finished swallowing. Too much is a sin here. Too little is worse. The compound smells of firewood smoke, hibiscus, diesel from a generator someone forgot to service. Her staff, 4 women she trained herself, move like one organism she conducts without looking up. Add 40, she says, already walking toward the tent where the chairs are still stacked. She has never once, in 11 years, been wrong about a number like this. Ndewo. No. I am Yvonne Mbanefo, heritage futurist and daughter of the soil. Welcome to Igbo Daily Drops, episode 110, week 22, day 5, Friday. Today, one Owerri caterer needs every skill this week's craftsmen needed separately, all at once, every Saturday. Ka anyị bido? Let us begin. The client's mother, Lolo Nneka, inspects the pots herself. Protocol, not distrust. No Owerri compound releases its name to 200 London relatives without the senior woman tasting first. Nkiruka steps back, hands folded, waiting. Lolo Nneka tastes, nods once. Nkiruka has moved on before the nod finishes. Behind the canopy, the driver argues with the gateman over parking nobody agreed to give him. The gateman wins. He usually does. Today, 3 sentences. The words that let one woman run 200 plates and win every negotiation by 6. Repeat after me. Sentence 1. Nri dị ọkụ ma dịkwa mma. In English, the food is hot and good. Nri dị ọkụ ma dịkwa mma. Nri dị ọkụ ma dịkwa mma. Nri dị ọkụ ma dịkwa mma. The promise on every pot lid she closes. Sentence 2. Ụlọ anyị dị nso. In English, our house is near. Ụlọ anyị dị nso. Ụlọ anyị dị nso. Ụlọ anyị dị nso. What she tells the nervous auntie asking if the airport is far. Sentence 3. Ego ole ka ọ bụ? In English, how much is it? Ego ole ka ọ bụ? Ego ole ka ọ bụ? Ego ole ka ọ bụ? The gateman asks it without parking. Nkiruka asks it about her fee, without apology. These 3 sentences are in your free speaking workbook. Download it at learnibonow.com. If you're driving right now, just listen. The workbook will be waiting. By 5, the first cars turn in. London plates, London perfume, relief on tired faces. Nkiruka is at the gate, counting heads under her breath, adjusting nothing, because nothing needs adjusting. She lifts the last pot's lid once more. Steam, steady, unshaking, closes it without tasting. Her hand knew before her tongue could catch up. 11 years of Saturdays taught it everything it needed. Her hand knew before her tongue did. Her hand knew before her tongue did. This is not the first pot she has cooked. Onye bụ mmadụ ụzọ sibe ite, ga-aka ya na-enwe mkpọ ite. Onye bụ mmadụ ụzọ sibe ite, ga-aka ya na-enwe mkpọ ite. One who started cooking before another has steadier or sturdier pots. In Owerri, a woman's kitchen tells you her mind. The scholar Donatus Ibenwaga, in his 1984 Ahajioko lecture, argued Igbo achievement, nka na nzere, is proven through action, not status. Yoruba market women govern trade on that same instant judgment. What Mwaga named being as action in 1984, management theory later called situational leadership. Mastery isn't a title. It's a pot never left to boil over. Before today ends, say, Nri dị ọkụ ma dịkwa mma aloud as you serve a meal you're proud of. Not practice. A declaration. Trust the pot you've cooked before. Every sentence you learn is a drop, and every drop feeds Oke Osimiri Mmụta Igbo, the ocean of Igbo knowledge. Grab your free speaking workbook at learnibonow.com. Rate us wherever you listen. Your review is how another learner finds their way home. This has been your Igbo Daily Drop. Abụ nwanne gị nwaanyị Yvonne Choma Mbanefo. I am your sister Yvonne Choma Mbanefo. Ka aka gị na-ama ihe ọ maara tupu ọnụ gị achụpụdo ya. May your hands know what it knows before your mouth catches up. Ka anyị hụ echi. Until we meet again tomorrow.